Sunny. Sunny.
Good girl. Good girl.
Sunny. Sunny.
Good girl.
Why?
Huh?
Why are you being like this?
Huh?
Being weird.
Belly rub.
Good girl.
Come on.
Good girl.
Stop, it's creepy.
Good girl.
Could you just tell me what that is?
It's like poop meds.
Let's just go to the cafe first.
Cafe?
Yeah.
I think she needs to pee.
Yeah. Let's just go pee, dear.
No!
Just a girl. Good girl.
Good girl.
Can you say hi to your friend?
You gotta be careful about other dogs, they're not always friendly.
Now you unleash her.
You know that place we went to in Hongdae? The music they were playing there when we sat outside
Oh.
after we got these,
Oh.
remember?
Yeah.
With the noisy people.
Hmm. Hi, Sunny. Sunny, say hi to the camera.
Sunny!
Failed.
By the way, it's a straw.
No, it's a stick.
It's a straw.
It's a
It
stick.
has holes through it. If it was made to just be a stick, then they wouldn't bother putting holes in it.
Yeah, it's a stick.
Got a present.
Yeah.
A very-
It's a hot dog.
A terrifying looking
Sorry, guys.
present for Sunny.
Oh. Yeah.
Scissors in the drawer.
Oh, gee.
Oh no. Okay, I guess I didn't put them away.
Sunny, hot dog.
Oh wow, you made her really interested in it. You gotta make it seem really interesting.
You don't like it? Hmm?
There we go. Oh no, okay.
I just gave it to her like a granny bomb.
Yeah. The thing is, at the moment, I think she just wants attention. Because she's been on her own for a few hours.
Or she doesn't like you. She doesn't like it.
No, I think she it's too early to tell if she doesn't like it.
Oh?
That was a swing and a miss. If you keep shoving it at her, it's not going to make her like it, it's going to make her terrified of it. Hopefully she has it. Oh, okay, I'm just videoing a dog licking itself now.
Yeah. Should I do that? Together.
I mean, if you could, I'd be quite impressed.
Yeah.
There's quite some flexibility.
Yeah.
I'm a Hagrid.
Or you can do that instead of me.
I don't think I can. I can barely touch my toes.
No, for me, nothing. Hi. Hi, people. I'm tired. I'm exhausted.
Me too. We only got like 4 hours
Night.
sleep. Hi, Sunny. Sunny. Sunny.
Where's your hot dog?
Sunny.
Where's your hot dog, Mike?
Sunny. Nunchucks.
She doesn't like it, right?
No, she wants attention. That's why. She wants fuss. She's been on her own. She's a needy girl. She just wants cuddles. Don't you? You just want cuddles. Yeah, I don't think that's gonna work. Ew.
I think she doesn't like it.
She's got plenty of water in there, hasn't she?
Yeah, she has.
Okay.
Let me check.
What?
I'll show you later.
She's laying on her side and chewing on it.
Yeah. Hi.
Why are you videoing the other lecture? She's very heavy.
Welcome to Seoul. Sunny's all the way came here to meet her new owners.
Someone else's turn to carry the dog. Wait. She looks so upset right now.
Me?
No, she does.
Oh, yeah.
Look at her face.
She's thirsty.
Oh, Sunny.
Let's just give some water first.
Yeah. You hear me laying on the floor like a crazy person. It's cold. Feels nice and cold.
This is my place.
We're holding hands.
Yeah.
You don't get to video my attention. You rejected my attention.
What do you mean you just punch me? You just punch my face.
Yeah. Wait, punch?
Yeah. You just-
Flick.
Yeah.
Let's not over dramatize it.
Show me the drinks.
Surprise.
This is the last day. So now you're walking to the, this Lion Forest Park to meet new owners. How do you feel?
Sick.
Thanks.
You're welcome. Tired.
Same.
편하게 말씀 나누시면은 네.
강아지.
네. 감사합니다. 저희 입양해 주셔가지고. 네.
맡아주셔서 감사합니다.
네.
눈이 너무 예쁘다. 안녕.
눈이 너무 예쁘죠?
네.
얼굴도 너무 예쁘고.
네. 안녕. 혹시 그러면 이 써니 칩, do you have like the chip in?
She has no chip. We got her checked, but didn't give her one because I wasn't planning to keep her.
I'm going to give her one.
It's a good idea. She might be a bit nervous with you at first. Took her a little while to get used to me and my place. So if she doesn't pee or poop for a while, it's normal. It's just because she's nervous.
I
Or
bought
same with
some
eating.
like bio thingy that dogs eat, like
I
yogurt.
have the food she's been eating. So maybe she does seem to like it. So maybe that would be better. As for the medicine, I've been giving it to her mixed with natural yogurt, like plain. Not a lot because it's not good for dogs. But if you find something else she prefers,
She's so cute. How is she not adopted?
저번에 말씀드린 것처럼 나이는 이제 1살 전후로 보는 게 맞다고 합니다. 왜냐면 그 아기 이빨이 있어가지고 아직까지는 그 퍼피로 보는 게 맞다고. 1살이 안 됐을 수도 있어요. 완전 아가라고 보시면 됩니다.
완전 애기네.
네.
길가에서 뭐 하고 있었니?
길가 아니고 공원에 있었어요. 공원에 유기된 거라서.
공원에 유견을
네.
설치하나 봐. 병. Can I stop the 택시 불러? 택시를 타야 돼. 이거는
Taxi or metro?
I think taxi is better.
Taxi.
It's hot. I don't want to put her in that bag again.
Okay.
yeah, if she like freaks out in the subway, it'll be like
It's not. She'd be okay. Just I have
not
I have a dog bag for her, and she gets quite hot in it. She did on my KTX. So, and I'm worried about her overheating. If it was like a short distance, I think it would be okay. But if it's an hour.
Okay.
You're in there for a long time.
You okay? Yeah, I'm fine. Then shall we call a taxi?
두 분끼리 한국어 하셔도 되는데 같이 영어를.
It just looked like I was trying to drag her into the water.
Uh-huh.
Oh, my face is hot.
Same.
But Sunny's cuter than you though. Your feet are so red. Why are you looking like that?
저는 진짜 아예 사람 경계 안 하는 줄 알았어요. 저한테 너무 잘 와가지고. When, if you give me your contact, I can like send you photos, like if you want.
Yeah, that would
So
be good.
like.
Like Instagram or
yeah,
Facebook
by
and such.
Instagram or phone number. It doesn't really.
So you gotta explain about the meds, right?
Yeah. So she has maybe a week, just over a week more of medicine to go. I actually didn't notice before, but in the bag, it's in. Can you? Rather than
Yeah.
just standing there, can you take that? So, no, not this way. This way. Give me here. This is medicine. And she gets excited when she sees it now, actually, because usually she has it in yogurt. So she likes it.
Oh, you tricked her.
Yeah, basically. But I noticed earlier when I was counting that they gave me this, which I guess is you mix it with water and then in my mouth.
okay.
But I don't know.
I don't like that.
Yeah, so I prefer to mix it with yogurt or cottage cheese. I've heard works quite well.
Okay.
The website I looked at for it is American though, so I don't know. Plain yogurt I found to be quite frequently available here, but she needs twice a day.
Twice a day.
So one in the morning usually and one
Excited.
in the evening. Yeah,
Not
and
yet.
so got her food bowl and poop bags. This
Poop
is
bags.
her cushion she likes to sleep on.
Mhm.
This is the food.
Thank God, because I bought a cushion,
But
but I haven't washed it yet, so I was like,
this-
maybe pillow.
this has not been washed.
Yeah, but it'll make her comfortable, right?
It was washed maybe 3 days ago, and then she immediately peed on it again. So
Great.
it's gonna probably smell like pee a little bit, I'm afraid. Because the thing is, and you'll notice this, when she gets more attached to you, she gets very excited when you come home, and that does make her lose control of her bladder a little bit. She hasn't quite mastered toilet training.
I will do that.
She's much better on the leash than she used to be. She would not walk at all on the leash when we first got her. We had to carry her everywhere. But
Yeah, I heard that.
yeah, she's used to it now, so
And
she
I was
should
like,
be,
6 kilograms.
yeah. Well, actually, she's closer to 5.
5.
But still quite substantial weight, which is why we tried to put all this together for you. Because you're probably
You don't have to give me the bag, because my house is...
I have no use for it,
Oh,
so you
really?
can have it.
Aw.
I don't have another dog, so
Aw.
these are all things I bought for her. Well, except the cushion. This was your second cushion on my bed. I
Yeah.
gave it to her. And then it got peed on. Basically, yeah. But she likes it. She likes to chew on it. Trying to think if there's anything else. Oh yeah, socks. She likes to chew on socks.
Socks.
Actually,
I
she's
have
just-
plenty.
she's
Don't
just
worry
kind
about
of a-
socks.
I meant more like if you don't want her to chew on your socks, don't leave
But
them.
every time I wear socks, it's supposed to be a pair, and when I try to match it up, it's like, huh? Where'd it go?
Oh, I'm the same, literally. But yeah, she obviously has a harness. This leash Obviously it's stretchy, so it's better. It was just a cheap one from Daiso, so if you want a better one, then I wouldn't be offended. But she's also got another one that matches the harness that's shorter. If you want to like properly train her to walk on the leash, probably it would be better. Thanks, Sunny. Thank you.
The other way.
Thanks, Mai.
Oh, Sunny.
Thanks, Mai.
This way.
The thing is, she really likes
People?
yes, but also
Yeah,
on
obviously.
grass, she loves it.
I can walk her like
anywhere.
3 times a day because
Wow.
I'm always at home.
Wow. Okay, well, that's
Literally.
I was taking her maybe once or twice a day because she seems to prefer going to the bathroom outside.
Oh, that's really good, to
Yeah.
be honest.
Yeah, she does pee inside if she has to. She peed in your apartment
Yeah,
this morning,
yeah,
yesterday night.
yeah.
He wasn't very happy.
Yeah.
And she did, actually she pooped earlier as well, so she should be good for today. Well, she'll need to pee again, but she
I
shouldn't
bought
poop in your
like
face.
a whole bucket of, I don't know what, the training treats, like a jerky thing, to train her
Yeah.
for
Actually, I have, because I have dogs back home, I have done clicker training, and I found that to be pretty effective with dogs that are very food motivated, which Sunny is. She loves snack rate.
Yeah.
Basically anything, you will find that you'll feed her and then she'll be whining at you as though she's not been fed for days. So don't fall for it. She's not actually hungry, she's just greedy. But
Yeah.
she's great with people, great for the most part with other dogs. Very playful, loves attention. Really, I think she's like the perfect pet dog.
Yeah.
It is. I kind of noticed it from the video. Like I was like, no.
I'm glad.
I was on a subway literally screaming. I was
Aw.
like, no. So cute.
I'm glad. And she seems to like you.
Aw.
So.
She might freak out if you leave.
She's probably gonna be a bit anxious for a little
She's
while.
gonna be like, where's mama?
Especially when you get her inside your place. When we first got her inside my place, when we picked her up, she just laid down on the floor and wouldn't like even stand up. Would she? She just crawled along the floor whenever she wanted anything.
Yeah.
Because she was that nervous, and she didn't poop for several days, and she wouldn't pee except when she really couldn't hold it any longer.
Is she afraid of baths? Because
Yes.
if she is, I will just make her take bath like a week later. If
I
she's-
did bath her on Friday.
Mhm.
So she does like to roll around in grass and dirt a lot. So she does get a little bit dirty. Thank you again. Sunny.
Thanks, Mai.
Really love being trapped.
Grass is not for eating.
But yeah, I had an unfortunate accident with the shower head, so it's kind of my fault. Trying to hold her still and hold a shower head at the same time isn't really, and she may have slightly gotten sprayed in the face.
I think it'll be fine for
Just
her to.
keep hold of her, praise her a lot. Basically anything you do with her, just praise her a lot and she'll be fine. Because I think she is food motivated, but she does also just really love attention. That's all she really wants most of the time, just some love and affection. So I think as long as you're affectionate with her, she'll bond with you fairly quickly, in my opinion. I'm not an expert, but
Neither am I.
I've had her for a couple of weeks. I've got a good feel for her personality. Actually, earlier today, that's the noisiest I've ever heard her be with that big dog.
Yeah,
I
but
think,
that dog was huge.
yeah, I think that was probably what it was. But actually, with every other dog she's interacted with, she's either been friendly and tried to play, or she's just laid down on the floor.
Really?
Yeah. So I was surprised.
We were like, whoa.
Like, she hasn't barked at all the entire time I've had her. Not once. She whines, but like little cute whines. Cute whines that say, "Please give me your food," but she hasn't barked, so you shouldn't need to worry about any like neighbor complaints about her being noisy or anything, because she's not. But she may try and chew on things. Everything.
Everything. Okay.
Anything that's her
I should have
level.
noticed it from the grass.
Yeah, she likes to chew. She has chewed my table and scratched it.
Is her teeth okay?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure her teeth are fine. It's my table that suffered. I don't mind. But I didn't realise she'd done it until the other day, so it was a bit late by then.
Okay. Then, oh, it must be so sad for you.
I think the sadness will be when I go back home and the place is empty.
Yeah, you'll be crying.
For a while.
Yeah.
That doesn't sound so sad.
Anyway,
Glad
yeah.
She's getting somewhere with someone who can give her a lot of attention, because I'm gone a lot, so.
Anyway, thank you for adopting her. Yeah, I really meant it.
Thank you for
Yeah.
having her. Aww.
Aw, bye, Sunny.
She really deserves
Say
to
bye.
have
Say bye to Mama.
a
Goodbye.
nice home. Are you gonna be alright with all this stuff?
Yeah, my house is right in. Okay.
Goodbye,
public park
Sunny.
is right in front, but yeah, it's gonna be fun.
Well,
I shouldn't have just brought the bag.
we did our best.
Yeah,
Everything in here, but this wouldn't fit pieces of cushion, boot bags, some toys, which she may ditch the
No, it's okay.
She may ditch the toys in favor of chewing on everything because she's her. But
I bought some toys because I was so excited. I was like,
yeah,
I'm
well,
getting
that's
a dog.
good. That's good. I'm glad to hear that. But
Let's go.
you may need to pick her up to get her inside. That's all.
Ah, okay.
That was my concern. She's not like heavy to hold on to for a long time, but as of yet I've never succeeded in getting her into an elevator.
Oh,
So maybe
I can do stairs. I can do stairs.
she's okay if you hold on to her. Just she might wriggle, and I'm not sure how she's gonna react to being separated from us. Yeah.
Yeah, if it becomes like a huge problem where he gets like a mentally not well, I'll text you to like, and then I'll let you guys have a walk and then bring her back to home again. So
Yeah,
she could be like used to it.
yeah, that sounds good. But I think she should be okay. Just maybe the initial shock, she might get quite nervous and anxious. But I'm
Out
sure
of
you
bed.
seem like you're gonna give her a lot of attention and affection, so I'm sure she'll be fine. I'm glad to see that. That makes
Friends
me
are
feel more
freaking out.
comfortable.
Drew's getting a dog.
Well, she'll love it. She'll love all the attention. She loves it, no matter who it is. She just wants people to give her love.
I'll give all the attention I love. And I'll message you through Instagram of her photos.
That
Like
would be good.
I can send you daily photos.
Daily, you don't need to worry that much. Just
Or like bi-monthly.
every now and again, just to
Just
check
for
on
today.
her.
Just for today.
Yeah,
Yeah.
in case I'm a bed. It's important.
You gotta say goodbye.
I am saying goodbye.
Yeah.
When we're supposed to do bark at her.
Yeah. Goodbye, Sunny.
It's okay. She'll be alright.
Goodbye.
Talk to her a lot and she'll be
Oh.
I'm fine. I'm fine.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm good.
Sunny.
I'll send you a lot of photos. I promise.
I would appreciate that.
Sunny. Goodbye. Say bye to the camera.
Bye, Dada.
Oh.
Bye, Mama.
Good girl.
You sound so creepy.
Good girl. Good girl. Okay.
Okay, we should let her go get some.
Yeah. Okay.
Hi.
So,
I'll promise I'll message you, send
Okay.
you photos, and do everything.
thanks for adopting her. I hope you have a very nice time with her. This sounds really strange. I know I've never done this before. Me too.
Yeah,
So I'm
sounds
like,
dramatic.
yeah.
Yeah.
She's
So.
a good dog.
Yeah.
Good dog.
Yeah. She'll be.
She's
I think she'll be happy with you. So.
okay.
Aw. She didn't look too stressed out.
Yeah.
But. Well. We should go.
Yeah. Bye,
Sunny gets
Sunny.
to a new home.
Sunny, look here.
Goodbye.
And he's like, why is she holding me?